Right, so when you're doing your walks, you always want to keep your watch with you so you can monitor your oxygen levels, your steps. Okay, let's take a look at a beautiful watch, and this is a sports watch, and it's a digital watch. They give you two types of straps, all right, for your handbands, all right. There's a black and a gray. I choose the gray because I actually really like the color. It's distinguished, is different from every other watch that's out there. You could actually buy your own. You don't have to even go through these. You could just buy your own too. But I like that they give you a dock for this system, right? So it just docks automatically here in the magnetic because of the magnet, and it starts charging. All right, now two buttons that you have to be aware, the top and the bottom, and they're programmer. All right, you could program this button to pretty much any other functions or apps that you want. It's up to you. Now it does wake up when you bring it up to your face. Now from here, it gives you a couple minutes to actually use. All right, to the left, you get calls, daily activities, workout. You get heart rate, sleep mode, oxygen levels, stress, music, assistance, which is pretty much on your out of your phone, right? It's going to work out. Now, weather, let me go back in there. Weather, compass, and then this one right here, breathing exercises, world clock notification, stopwatch, alarm, time, calculator, remote, flashlight, find phone, men's health, settings, all right? So let's go back to the main setting. Now, if you don't like the actual cover, you could change it to multiple covers that they do have available, right? Now, this system, I choose this one because it has multiple reads. It has your stress levels. It has the weather. It has your exercise, your burn calories, your timer, and also the actual watch battery, which I like about that. Now, it gives you weather, alarms. I don't have anything set up in sleep mode, workout, pretty much stopwatch. I don't have a lot of things set up yet. I've been using it, but I delete it just for the video so you guys don't see my personal stuff. Now let's go back. When you want to go back, you can program this button here to anything. I set it up as heart rate, right? So anytime you want, you could go and set up any function you want. You could set up in here. So if it's a music or take a picture, you can just click that button and automatically come up. So let's go back to the main one. Now, if you go scroll down, it gives you options, right? We're at 85% on the battery. Watch, you can set this up. So this means that when you bring it up to your face, it's going to turn on, vibrate, and then the lighting, and of course you got your call button, right? And there's more functions if you guys can see that. Let's go to the right. You could turn off the alarms, settings, and then plus you could add more functions. That's pretty much the main functions that you get. You're to the left, you get notifications, right? On the notifications, anything that you have to give it access from your phone through your text messages, so you could answer from here, and also you could answer phone calls from here too. Now, the great functions I like about it, that this button here is my favorite because you can always program it to bring up anything. I see a lot of photographers, they actually take pictures directly from here just by push a button. If you want a flashlight, you could set it up from here by push a button. It's very simple to actually set up any app in here. This is one of my favorite buttons so far. All right, let's take a look at the actual watch interface. And if you guys can see, it tells you what type of watch you have, the battery life, and so forth. Now, you got a couple of things that you should know here. You got your home, all right? Your home is going to tell you a lot more information about your heart rate, your sleeping modes, and so forth. Now, I am going to block some of the features here so you guys won't see some of my personal stuff. You got your distance, if you're doing endurance, if you're practicing, you're jogging, this is a perfect way to actually get all the information. There's a lot of information to be found, especially your stress level, your oxygen levels, and so forth. Now, sports. This is important because this is going to show you a map of or if you want to train yourself or you want to do a course, this will do a GPS of the actual location you live by, and also it's going to distinguish your distance. So you won't cheat for yourself. It's going to actually track you with GPS and actually steps too. And it has for outdoors. and indoors too, right? So that's another option you have here, which I like. Now let's go back into devices. Devices is going to be more like if you want to set up your alarms, incoming calls, you want to change the app, or you want to change the upload to the latest skin that they have, and they got multiple skins here that you could download for free. Watch faces, a lot of them, hundreds of them. And then here where it says my faces, this is what I downloaded myself. So you do need to download it, and you can only do 3 or 4 at a time and the watch, depending on the space. All right, now let's go back. And in here, you're going to see more about me. This is going to be more changing options, your weekly reports and training, more of a thorough data that you're going to get here, your set goals, how much weight you want to lose, and so forth. This is where you actually change out the actual information. If you're a male or female, you will have to come in here. Now, I do have multiple watches that I use, but this is one of my favorite ones I take out most of the times when I go, say I do exercise. I want to make sure I do track myself and also my oxygen levels and also my sleeping habits, because I do work at night and I want to see if I'm getting enough sleep. So this is a great way to actually check all the settings that you have on your watch and then enjoy it. So you have a lot of different options in front of you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.